यूजली हम ये सोचते हैं कि अगर हमारा घर नेचर से थोड़ा पास होता तो कितना अच्छा होता, पोल्यूशन से थोड़ा दूर होता तो कितना अच्छा होता। सिटी में रहकर ये सब सोचना थोड़ा सा चुभता है। इस फास्ट पेस लिविंग में पोल्यूशन तो ग्रो हो ही रहा है, लेकिन उसके साथ ग्रो हो रही है द रिस्क ऑफ इलनेस बिकॉज ऑफ पोल्यूशन। तो इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है? इसी सोच के साथ टीएनटी ग्रुप हैज ब्रॉट दिस प्रोजेक्ट, जिसमें नेचर, वेल-बीइंग, फिजिकल and mental both, and cutting edge technology has the perfect blend of harmony, and the project's name is Utopia. हेलो एंड वेलकम, यू आर वाचिंग हाउस एज कंसल्टिंग और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त खुशी। एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अबाउट अ ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट जिसका नाम है यूटोपिया, व्हिच इज अ टीएनटी ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट। इस लोकेशन के बारे में थोड़ा सा मैं आपको पहले ब्रीफ कर देती हूँ अबाउट दिस लोकेलिटी। तो ये प्रोजेक्ट आता है इन सिद्धार्थ विहार, गाजियाबाद, व्हिच इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ इंदिरापुरम एंड दैट कनेक्ट्स यू टू NH24 इजिली, जो कि आपको कनेक्ट करता है दिल्ली, नोएडा, गाजियाबाद एंड मेरठ विद जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ 30 to 40 मिनट्स। एंड साथ में आपको कमर्शियल में काफी ऑप्शंस मिल जाते हैं फ्रॉम यूटोपिया। देयर इज गौर मार्केट, देयर इज प्रतीक्स मार्केट इज वेल, इनफैक्ट देयर इज ओपस मार्केट, और यूटोपिया अपनी खुद की मार्केट भी लॉन्च करेगा। सो या दैट इज प्रीटी मच फॉर द कमर्शियल। स्कूल्स यहाँ पे, और इंटरनेशनल इज जस्ट एडजेसेंट टू यूटोपिया। DPS is just 2 minutes from here. अगर हम हॉस्पिटल की बात करें, संतोष मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल, फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल, मैक्स हॉस्पिटल इज जस्ट 10 to 15 minutes from here. And if we talk about metro connectivity, आपको रेड लाइन एंड ब्लू लाइन दोनों मिल जाएगी। रेड लाइन पे आपको शहीद स्थल मेट्रो स्टेशन मिलेगा एंड ब्लू लाइन पे आपको मिल जाएगा नोएडा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी मेट्रो स्टेशन एज वेल। So that is pretty much about the location. Now let's talk about the project. So what sets Utopia different and apart from all of the projects in Siddharth Vihar is that this is India's first urban therapeutic living. That is right, with AI enabled homes and Greek architecture all around the property, and with medicinal plants, thousands of medicinal plants and trees like Arjun, Tulsi, Kalpavriksha and Ashwagandha. You are going to breathe in all the essence of nature, and you are going to get outdoor air purifiers as well. So this is a slight difference that TNT has brought in the project of Utopia. With a land parcel of 8 acres, this project has 11 towers, which will have 7 towers in the first phase, and the remaining 4 will be in the second phase. Besides this, you will have a 20,000 square feet area of clubhouse, which will have all the amenities like gym, game zone, indoor and outdoor both, and you'll have therapeutic sessions like needle therapy and mud therapy. That is slightly different from all the projects, and that is what Utopia offers you. Besides this, you will have a swimming pool that will be 3-level cascading swimming pool, and also temperature control. That is also different. You will have hot temperature, warm and normal as well. And the main part is all the towers will have their own separate gym area. Isn't that great? Now let's explore the sample flat of 2990 square feet. It's the 4 BHK flat that Utopia is offering you with all the good features in it. So let's explore that. Now have a look at this great double heightened lobby, which has the ancient style of Greek architecture. And this floor, the white marble, this is Makrana, which stays cool in all seasons. As this is a low density project, each tower will only have 2 apartments, and with this we are going to explore the sample flat. And with just adjoining this is the servant room that we'll explore later. This is the sample flat, which is a 2990 square feet apartment, which is 4 BHK plus servant room. So let's get started. Now as you can see, मेन डोर पे आपको डिजिटल लॉक मिल जाता है जो कि एक पास की से, फिंगरप्रिंट से या फिर आपकी की से खुल जाएगा. Even from your smartphones, अगर आप घर पे नहीं हो and your friend is coming over and they don't have the pass key or the fingerprint, so you can open your door from your smartphone as well. So this is going to be your entrance door. Look at the design. This is all Greek architecture. So let's get into the house and look at this. This is the grand feeling that you're going to get because of the ceiling height. With great ceiling height comes a great luxurious feeling. So this is the foyer space that you're going to get in the entrance. और उसके right hand side पे पड़ जाता है आपका first bedroom. Now let's see that. This is your first bedroom with wooden floorings, a bathroom attached and a balcony attached. Now have a look at the bathroom. You get golden faucets here and all the bathroom fittings, the tiles, the texture tiles, you're going to get that. So let's get to the balcony area. This is the balcony that you're going to get in your first bedroom. Now let's see the living room. But before this, have a look at this. If you're in a hurry and if you're like me, you just have to wave your gesture control. Lights off, lights on. See, this is the AI that I was talking about. Now this is your living room. Look how spacious this is. Internal, external and utopia ki space. It's a bliss. Have a look at this. These curtains are automated. You can even set an alarm for these. Lights on होने के लिए alarm set कर सकते हो. Curtains open होने के लिए alarm set कर सकते हो. This is brilliant, isn't it? Now this will be your dining area. Has ample of space यार. अच्छी खासी chairs आ जाएंगी यहाँ पे. And right in front of this will be your modular kitchen. Now whatever you're seeing in this kitchen will all be included. All the appliances. The microwave, the fridge, the gas stove, chimney, dishwasher, the sink fittings, lower and upper cabinets, all will be included in your European style kitchen. And this kitchen includes a utility balcony as well. Now let's explore the second bedroom. But before this comes the powder room. Now have a look at this. Have a look at the bathroom fittings, the golden faucets. I'm in love with this. There's a smart pot and these designer tiles, flooring and motion sensor lights all will be included. Now let's explore the second bedroom. Your kids room and the second bedroom as well. This has ample of space. यहाँ पे तो single bed लगा है, but there is space for double bed as well. ये रही आपकी cupboard space. This has an attached washroom as well. Have a look at this. All the bathroom fittings, all the golden faucets that you're seeing here, all will be included. Now here is the attached balcony, which is attached with the private launch space as well. We're going to explore this. Have a look at this space. वैसे तो ये बार काउंटर बना हुआ है, but you can customize it as your own will. ये एक पूजा space भी बन सकता है. And right in front of this is the USP of this sample flat, which is your private lounge space. बाहर गेस्ट आए हुए हैं, you don't want to attend them, and यहाँ पर आपको अपना family time spend करना है, you can do that. And सामने ही इसके there's an LED space, मतलब यहाँ पर आप TV लगा सकते हो, you can attach your TV here. And इसके सामने आपको balcony attached मिल जाती है. And look at the balcony. This is great, and this is attached with your kids' room as well. काफी space है balcony में, and I'm sure your view is going to be amazing as well. Balconies की कमी आपको नहीं मिलती है इस जगह पे. Now let's explore the third bedroom. Look at this. I think I love the theme. This is great. You can have your own theme. आपको wallpapers और wall paints सब कुछ included मिलता है. You can choose that by your own. This room comes with an attached balcony. It has one cupboard space and also comes with all the automations. In this bathroom, a motion sensor, the designer tiles, golden faucets and high-end sanitary fittings will all be included. So let's explore the master bedroom now. एंड इस जगह की खासियत ये है कि आपको काफ़ी अच्छी खासी स्पेस यहाँ पे मिल रही है इन योर बेडरूम्स, इन योर लिविंग एरियाज. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, द ट्रेडिशन दैट इज लैगिंग बिहाइंड. यूटोपिया is fulfilling that. This is your master bedroom. Look at this, so spacious, so luxurious. This is giving grandeur. आपको wallpapers पे you get an option here, and the curtains are going to be automated. The lights, you can all control it with your phone, your voice, and the best part, so spacious. यहाँ पे कोई furniture आपको add करना है, you can add it. And the best part here is this, the gesture control. Lights on, lights off. You get an attached balcony here with an amazing view that you're going to get in your home, and one covered space. Now let's see the walk-in wardrobe. This is the walk-in wardrobe, your vanity, and this is going to be your one covered space here. And ये रहा आपका luxury bathroom. Enter this and you'll feel luxurious. Right here is the smart pot, and यहाँ पे है आपका golden faucets which you are going to love. थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ते हैं, and there is a bathtub, amazingly decorated bathroom. Look at the tiles, look at all the designer things that you're going to get here in your bathroom. This is all included.
And this finally will be your servant quarter, which has an attached washroom.
So this was all about your 2990 square feet apartment, that is 4 BHK plus servant room. And अगर आपको इसकी pricing जाननी है, so do give us a call on this number below. और availability जाननी है आपको यूटोपिया में कि और कौन से apartments हैं. These are the availabilities on your screen right now.
So as you saw, TNT Utopia offers a seamless blend of modern technology and traditional living. The project offers 11 towers with 26 floors, each with only 2 apartments per floor. Your smart home includes AI features like smart lighting, climate control, automated curtains, and grand ceiling heights for luxury and comfort. The development also boasts lush green spaces including Zen and Aroma gardens, jogging tracks, a 3-level cascading swimming pool, and over 1,000 medicinal plants. The 20,000 square feet clubhouse is a wellness hub with a gym, indoor and outdoor games, Ayurvedic therapies like Panchkarma therapy, mud and needle therapies, an amphitheater, open restaurants, banquet hall, and commercial shops. Unique to NCR, TNT Utopia has outdoor air purifiers, creating a zero pollution environment, and offers a complete multi-level basement parking to eliminate ground traffic. In short, TNT Utopia combines AI-enabled homes, rich green surroundings, and holistic wellness options, making it the ideal place to live and thrive.
And अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो, डू गिव अस अ लाइक, कमेंट डाउन बिलो आपको जो भी फीडबैक्स देने हो, डू सब्सक्राइब अस ताकि हम और आप फैमिली की तरह आगे बढ़े, एंड डू शेयर ताकि ये वीडियो और लोगों तक पहुंचे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. दिस इज योर होस्ट एंड दोस्त खुशी.